As technology advances at breakneck speed, healthcare is embracing the change with open arms. And why wouldn't it? When it comes to patient care, every second counts. That's why tech titans Microsoft and Epic Systems have announced a groundbreaking partnership that is set to revolutionize the healthcare industry. Their joint venture will introduce OpenAI's GPT-4 AI language model into the healthcare space. This advanced AI model is designed to simplify the lives of healthcare workers and make patient care more efficient than ever before. With Epic software already being used in over 29% of acute hospitals in the United States and over 305 million patients having an electronic record in Epic worldwide, this partnership could have a profound impact on the healthcare industry. Doctors and healthcare workers will now be able to use the GPT-4 AI model to automatically draft message responses to patients, freeing up their time to focus on the critical clinical duties that require their full attention. Plus, the model will also bring natural language queries and data analysis to Epic's data exploration tool, allowing clinical leaders to explore data in a conversational and intuitive way. But, as with any cutting-edge technology, there are always concerns. Researchers are worried about the use of large language models like GPT-4 in healthcare. These models have been known to create information that isn't present in their dataset, potentially leading to misleading or incorrect information being provided to patients. There are also concerns about potential bias in the GPT-4 model that could discriminate against certain patients based on factors like gender, race, or age. OpenAI's own usage policies state that its models cannot be used to provide instructions on how to cure or treat a health condition. Despite these concerns, Microsoft and Epic Systems remain steadfast in their mission to bring GPT-4 into the healthcare industry. As technology continues to evolve, only time will tell how AI models like GPT-4 will shape the future of healthcare. One thing is for certain, though. With the potential to increase productivity and efficiency in healthcare, GPT-4 and similar AI models have the power to make a significant impact on the industry, for better or for worse. It's up to us to ensure that we use them ethically and responsibly, for the good of all patients.